Today we're going to be taking a look at the best hitch options for our 2017 Hyundai Elantra. So here are our best hitch options. On the top here, we're going to have the Curt part number C11424. Right here we have our Draw-Tite part number 24939. Both these hitches have a 1 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch receiver opening, and you can see on the Curt here it has a nice rolled finish look around the edge, whereas the Draw-Tite is just a nice clean flush look. Now both hitches are going to use a 1/2 inch standard pin and clip, and they're both going to have the safety chain loops. The Curt is going to use a plate style welded onto the bottom, and the Draw-Tite is going to use a loop style of like a rolled stock steel. Now our two hitches do take a different approach when it comes to how they mount. The Curt is going to use all existing mounting locations, so it's going to be a no drill application. Curt here is going to require some minor trimming of one appearance panel underneath the vehicle. Now with our Draw-Tite, it is going to require trimming as well on several different panels. It also will require drilling one hole on each side of the vehicle. Now, due to the different mounting methods, they are going to have a different appearance. The Curt here is going to sit a little bit lower, and you're going to see this cross tube and the receiver underneath the bumper. Whereas with the Draw-Tite, the cross tube is going to be tucked up under the bumper, and all you're going to see is the receiver tube. Now our Curt here, the receiver tube is going to be tucked up into the bumper a little bit, whereas with the Draw-Tite, it is going to come out closer to the edge of our rear bumper. Now here we have our Elantra with our Draw-Tite installed, and even though the Draw-Tite does stick out further towards the rear of the bumper, you can see that it won't interfere and it doesn't stick out past the bumper. And you can see it does give it that nice clean finished look where you don't see any of the cross tube either. Now both these hitches are going to provide the same amount of weight ratings. They both have a 200-pound tongue weight, which is going to be the force pushing down, and they have a 2,000-pound gross trailer weight, which is the amount that it can pull. Now, you do want to make sure you check with your vehicle's owner's manual that your vehicle can actually handle that. One of the nice things about the Curt is that it does come with an included 1/2 inch pin and clip, but the manufacturer does recommend using a stabilization strap when towing any non-trailer loads. And you can pick one of those up using part number 18050. The Draw-Tite does not require any stabilization strap, but you will need to provide your own pin and clip, and you can pick one of those up on our website using part number PC2. Now both of these hitches are going to use a nice glossy black powder coat finish, which is going to help resist any rust and corrosion. So in conclusion, our Curt and our Draw-Tite are going to have the same weight capacities. Now the Draw-Tite is going to give you better ground clearance, and since it does stick out more towards the rear of the bumper, it's going to give you more options when choosing accessories. Our Draw-Tite is going to tuck up into the bumper more than our Curt, and we're only going to see our receiver tube, giving it a more clean, flush look. And also with the Draw-Tite, it doesn't require any stabilization strap for any recreational accessories like the Curt does. And that completes our look at the best hitch options for our Hyundai Elantra.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at etrailer.com.